In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade virgin coconut oil. To make this virgin coconut oil, you will need matured coconut. So I will crack the coconut. So when I'm done removing the coconut shell, I'm going to wash the coconut. So I'm going to cut the coconut into smaller pieces for easy blending. You can decide to use your grater to grate it for easy blending. So after cutting the coconut, I'm going to add warm water into the blender, add the cut coconut, then I'm going to blend until smooth. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to extract to get the coconut milk. So you can decide to use a chiffon cloth or cheesecloth to sieve to get the coconut milk. So after extracting the coconut milk, you can use the coconut chaff to bake or any other purpose. So when I'm done extracting the coconut milk, I will cover it and place it on a warm place to stay overnight. So the next day, you can notice that it has started fermenting. The cream and the curd has separated itself from the water. So I'm going to cover it and put it in the freezer to sit for about 30 minutes to solidify so that I can easily remove it from the water. So after about 30 minutes, I'll remove it from the freezer. Then I can easily scoop to get the cream. So I will gently scoop it and allow it to strain to remove any excess water. So when I'm done scooping out the cream, I'm going to transfer it into another bowl, then cover it and keep it at a warm place to sit for about 8 hours. Then after sitting for about 8 hours, I'm going to bring it out. You can notice that it has 3 layers, the core, the cream, and the water. So I will scoop the top layer. The second layer contains the coconut oil. So I will gently scoop to get the coconut oil. You can decide to filter the coconut oil that you get so that you won't have any other particles in it. This is pure virgin coconut oil. So I'm also going to show you another method to get the oil from the leftover coconut core. So for the second method, all the leftover from the coconut milk, I'm going to boil it using the boiling method to get the coconut oil. So this is the virgin coconut oil that I got. So I'm going to transfer it into another bowl and put it in the fridge to sit for about 20 minutes to solidify. Then after about 20 minutes, you can notice that the coconut oil has solidified. Finally, the virgin coconut oil is ready. You can store this in your container and use it for your hair, for your skin, or even add it to your meal. So I'm going to add everything into the pan. Then I'll allow it to boil down so that I can get the coconut oil. This is another version of coconut oil using the boiling method. So I'll be stirring it from time to time to avoid burning. Finally, you can see the coconut oil that I got. I will allow this to cool before I will store it in a container. I hope you can see how easy it is to make your extra virgin homemade coconut oil at home. You can use this oil for your hair, for your skin. You can add it to your meal, and it has a lot of health benefits. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.